All right, to solve an absolute value equation, essentially all we have to do is get two solutions. One is the plus version and one's the minus version. Now, because there's absolute values on both sides, it's going to look, the same way pretty much either way you do it. But the first way is you're going to drop all of the parentheses, or the absolute values, I should say, and leave everything else the exact same. So I haven't changed anything from this side. I'm not going to change anything from this side as well. So we get 3x plus 4 over 2. So I've just dropped the absolute values there. Now, the next equation that we're going to get is 2x minus 5 over 3. And this is going to have the negative of the right-hand side. You can also do the negative of the left-hand side. Gives you the same result no matter which way you do it. But we're going to get 3x plus 4 over 2. And so we need to solve each one of these equations individually, and we'll get our two solutions, which we expect to have. I'm going to cross multiply the 3 over here. So I'm going to multiply 3 over to this side and multiply 2 over to this side. It's going to give us 2 times 2x minus 5, and then 3 times 3x plus 4. And the same process here, except now we're going to have a negative 2. I'm going to multiply it over 2x minus 5 equals 3 times 3x plus 4. And now I can simplify the statements down and go from there. So I'm going to distribute everything into the parentheses. So we're going to get 4x minus 10, 9x plus 12. We get negative 4x plus 10, 9x plus 12. Now I can get the x's to one side, so I'm going to subtract 4x here. So just to make it positive, you can also subtract 9x. It'll work the same way. But again, whatever you do to one side, do the other side of the equation. Here I'm going to add 4x. Okay, and now I can, let's see. Well, let me simplify this first, and then I can do the next step. This is going to be 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. Here we're going to get 10 equals 9 plus 4 is 13. So we get 13x plus 12. Now I can get the 12 away from the x. So I'm going to subtract 12 and then subtract 12 the other side of the equation. Okay, those cancel, and we get 5x minus 10 minus 12. Those are both negative, so I'm going to add them together. It's going to be minus 22. And then here I have 13x, 10 minus 12. 10 is positive, 12 is negative, so I'm going to subtract them. 12 minus 10 is 2. Since 12 is the bigger number and it's negative, it's going to be negative 2. Now I can finally get my solution by getting the x by itself. I divide out the number in front of it, and I get x equal to negative 2/13 and x equal to negative 22/5. And those are my two solutions.